My dear students, our next topic is binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. So the first thing that will come in your mind, that will be, what is binomial? Okay, I will tell you what is binomial. If I write down a plus b or x plus y or 98 plus 2 or 2 plus 5. So all these are the example of binomial. All these are binomial. So you can see all these are the binomial. Now you can see you have studied all these things. I am going to tell you. Look at this. There is one binomial a plus b, and I have to do square of this. So you will, what you do, you will write down a plus b 2 times and you will multiply them, and then you will find a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is the value of a plus b square. Now if I ask you to find the value of a plus b cube, then what you do, you will multiply a plus b and a plus b, and the value will become a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So this will be the value you will get. But if I ask you that find the value of a plus b to the power 34 or find a plus b to the power 28, then it will I told you this method will be lengthy and tough. So it will be lengthy and tough. If I find these values, as we find the values of a plus b square and a plus b cube, if we follow the same process for these two binomial, then it will be very lengthy and tough. So we have to find another process to expand these binomial. Okay, so first look at this, a plus b. We again come to the a plus b cube. As you can see, a plus b cube comes a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Yes. So my dear, can I write this in the form of 3c 0 a cube and v0 plus 3c1 a square and v to the power 1 plus 3c2 a to the power 1 and b to the power 2 plus 3c3 a to the power 0 and b to the power 3. So if I solve this, we will find this. These both are same, because value of this will be 1, value of this will be 3, value of this will be 3, and value of this in previous class I have told you how to solve the combination. So I hope you got that and you understand this. So if you didn't watch the previous class, first go and watch the previous classes so that you can better understand this topic. Value of this will be 1, and as you can see, a to the power 0, the value of this will also be 1, and here the v to the power 0, the value will also be 1 for this. So I can write down this in this format. Now you will see this is the value of r. In previous class I told you that in combination the upper value is this is n and this is r. Okay, so now if I generalize this term, if I generalize this, so I will generalize this in this way. If I take n power, okay, so I will just put n in the place of 3. So I will put n in place of 3. Okay, now I put, okay, look at here, yes, a plus b to the power n, then expansion will be nc0 a to the power n b to the power 0 plus nc1 and a to the power, the power of a will decrease, a power of decrease. So here the a power was a power of a was n, here a minus 1, and b power of v will increase. Okay, now and in this way the term will n cn, and here you can see the value of r is increasing and the power of a is decreasing and power of v is increasing. So here value of r is n, yes, the value of r will be, as value of r is increasing, now the value of r will be n. Okay, and the value of the power of a will be 0 and value of b will be n. So in the next line I can write down, because the value of this value will be 1, v to the power 0 it will 1, and here e to the power 0 it will 1. So the expansion will be a plus b to the power n equals to nc0 e to the power n b to the power the v is 0, value of, okay, so I will write down this, plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b to the power 1 plus nc2 e to the power n minus 2 and v square, and it will go up to ncn and b to the power n. So what is this? This is our binomial theorem. Yes. Now you can solve all the powers. You can see you can solve this problem, this problem. Now you can solve each problem, but keep in mind what? Keep in mind here n is non-negative integer. This is a condition for this binomial theorem. Yes, and now one thing more. Did you notice one thing? And that is, this was our this is our first term, this was our first term, this was our second term, and this was our third term. So as you can see, in third term, in first term r is 0, in second r is 1, and in third r is 2. So I can say that in r plus 1th term r will be r. Okay, so if he asks you, if question is asked that find tr plus 1th term, so you will find out NCR a to the power n minus r b to the power n. So we find out the another formula. There are very high chances of this. He can ask you find r plus 1th term, and that will be NCR a to the power n minus r into b to the power n. Okay, now comes to the third, next thing, and the next is he can ask you find midterm in the expansion of a plus b to the power n. So there will be two conditions, and the first will be n is even. If n is even, then midterm will be n plus 2 by 2th term. This will be the midterm. And in second case, if n is odd, then midterm will be n plus 1 by 2. Okay, and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 1th term. So there will be two midterm, 1 and 2, if n is odd. So there are very high chances of a question that can come from this topic, these two formulas, and from this. So we have covered all the topics of binomial theorem, and don't worry, we will discuss many questions on each and every topic. First we are trying to understand the concept, and after completing the mathematics portion we will discuss the problems. So let's meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.